I always love me some fudge, but here I don't have condensed milk readily available, so let's make some fudge without it. You will need 450 gram powdered sugar, add 50 gram cacao, mix that and set it aside. Then you gotta melt your 110 gram butter, pour 60 milliliters heavy cream to that, and finally add some 70 gram chocolate. Of course, you can always add more. I just used 70 gram. Stir this on low heat until all the ingredients are well mixed, and finally add the powdered sugar mixture into this. Continue stirring until you get a smooth mass. Then you can transfer this fudge into any tray you want. I prefer to pour this onto something with baking paper on it, as it is easier to remove later on. As the weather is quite cold and I want a more or less smooth surface, I use a spoon to even this out. As much as I love chocolate, I still want some splash of color to give this a Christmassy vibe. As the mass is almost cold here, I had to press those slightly in. Then toss into the freezer for about half an hour. Cut this into the pieces you want and enjoy. How do you like your fudge? I love it frozen and almost hard. So this was day 16 of our advent calendar. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. Subscribe if you don't want to miss our next video. See you tomorrow for day number 17.